We are on. All right. Happy 420, everybody. This is the Abundant Alchemist. We are. Seems we're heading back up after testing lows. We're going into this Chainlink chart. I'm going to check out Bitcoin before anything else. Let's take a look here. This thing is slow today. So it seems that the bleeding has stopped, and we are back to possibly getting ready to test previous highs on Chainlink. We're at 39.03 with just about a day ago we were at 41, and days prior we tested all-time highs at 43, local highs at 43. So 41 is the next challenge for Chainlink. We're currently at 39. I think we should just look at this as all opportunity to accumulate and consider anything below 43 and 50 cents the location to accumulate. Bitcoin right now is at 56,776. Seems like we're forming a W pattern when I check on the 4-hour candles and the hourly candles. So I would consider anything below 57,600 a nice opportunity to accumulate before we go testing prior all-time highs at about 64,500, was it? 64,750. Bitcoin dominance currently at 51.9. That's the lowest we've been in a long time. So I think with all this, I wouldn't be upset if Bitcoin just starts moving sideways and we have another mini alt season. That's what it's feeling like. The interest for Bitcoin is kind of being lost. I think we need another positive story because the Coinbase offering wasn't enough to really break the all-time highs that we were having. So we're going to need something else, and I think in between time people are going to get bored and move into alts. I'm accumulating already. You're seeing the same type of motions as I look at the 4-hour. It's like we're accumulating and getting ready to move back up. The MACD in the 40 range. I like to get in at 30. So we have a lot of room when I look at YFI, and YFI is what I gauge altcoins with. So if YFI is looking bullish, it's indication to me that the rest of altcoin markets are set to move up. We've seen fluctuations in the past day since the 18th, high of just about 57,000. We went down, tested the 200 EMA average at about the 42, 43 range. Now we're back up at 49,900. It's a good time to get in, but the thing is, when I look at the daily chart, it looks risky on the daily. But what I think is going to happen is we'll break bullish here. Instead of doing a dip, we might just swerve back up. That's what I feel by looking at this that's going to happen. And if I look at the Hakinashi day candle, it's indicating right now with 23 hours to go, at least we're getting off to a start. This first hour heading up. So I wouldn't be surprised. Maybe we could do something like this and then go back down, like what, 52, 50. I'd be very happy if we could touch 52,000 in the next coming 3 days. 52,000 in the next coming 3 days for YFI, and it would look bullish for altcoins. Ethereum 2358, recovering very fast from this dump. So Ethereum's doing very good, and that, if nothing else, Ethereum as the main altcoin, that's an indication that alts are going to recover and follow suit with what Ethereum is doing. Cardano was on sale, very cheap here in this lower Fibonacci level at $1.14. If you could have gotten Cardano at $1.13, you really got in early. I think anytime, any price between this here at 128 right now and $1.50 is the right price to get in at. I really won't want to pay more than that moving forward. And I want to look at CRO last, because this is pretty much what's going on with all of them. CRO, maybe Binance is taking a lot of CRO's market share with all the news that has been going on, even though CRO has been, Crypto.com's had a lot of news, but right now we're at 19. I think anywhere between 19 and 25 cents is good for CRO to gather up some coin. But that's pretty much it. Talk to you guys later. Check out my links and my shop. Peace.